Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 16th, 2022. We are going to talk about plug power today and how low can the stock go. I got some things that I wanted to show you from the chart that kind of tells us that the market may go a lot lower than $14. Welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create the price predictions without the confusion. So if you guys want to learn more, I would suggest that you all join the team. We are here dropping price predictions, showing you all, giving you all a heads up as to where the market is anticipated to go way before it does it. So if you guys want to learn more, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, tap the bell notification as well, because I want to make sure that you and I are both winning in the stock market. So now I did a video in plug on July the 5th. Now my overall price prediction, right, in plug power was for the market to move higher. That's our original intention right here. Did a video back in the beginning of June, maybe the last day of May. I was looking for the market in plug power to run up. Now, there's been some problems. The buyers has been running across some issues as it's been trying to do that. Right here from out the gate, let me zoom on the chart so you all can see it a little bit better. So right here from out the gate, right, we all can see how plug power was getting rejected right here around $19. Price fell off, right? But the market still came and supported price at $14. Price ran up, came right back to $19 again, and the market is still showing us issues. The buyers, for some apparent reason, cannot take the sellers out. Price fell back down. So given that we have seen this type of price action, every time the buyers is able to successfully lift price to $19, it gets rejected and come back down. We got to begin to take note of these situations. That is a very hard sell point in the market in plug power. So when you see this, we got to come in and say, all right, cool. We might have to readjust the situation and relook at what's really going on. $19 is the problem. Were you able to grab some of that profitability into the market in plug power when it came to $19 a second time, right there on July the 8th? That's 8.25%. That was the only opportunity that we was able to grab some profitability out the market during that time frame. You have to know when you need to leave. You have to know it. A lot of these YouTubers give you a time period that is so far out that you have no idea as to what could price be in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, in the next 15 years. They cannot even give you a price target in that time frame, but yet and still they want you to hold it that long. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, let me take this out. Now I'm going to show you from a weekly chart, from a long-term perspective, that the market could in fact break below $14. Now, are you ready to see that happen? That's the question. Are you prepared to see the market in plug power fall below $14? Check this out. Let's look at plug power on the weekly chart first. Okay, this is the weekly chart. And like I've told you, we've had numerous weeks that the buyers had opportunity to break $19, $20. We had numerous opportunities when you continually see price showing rejection at certain prices. You got to say eventually the market is not going to hold it, right? Right here on this weekly price bar on July the 5th, this is where the buyers should have confirmed that they will be successful in breaking price up. Like this week right here, this last completed weekly price bar, we should have seen that, right? But we didn't see it. Instead, price and plug went down. It went down. I'm not here trying to make it hard for you. I'm not here trying to convince you. This is what the price action is showing us. You have to believe the price chart, because charts don't lie. It's not lying to us. We had a plethora of weeks to allow the buyers to break price above 19, and they were unsuccessful. It goes that way. That's one reason why we can see the price in plug power break below 14. Now, look at this on the 2 weeks chart then, because we have completed this 2 weekly price chart in plug power. And again, look at all of these 2 weekly price bars that the market had time. They had opportunity to break price above 20, and they still couldn't do it. If you're not expecting the market to go down in plug power, I want you all to provide some convincing evidence to show us that the market is going to break 20. because I'm showing you evidence that it's not. Because money is energy, and eventually the money gets tired or the energy runs out, and the market goes to the least area of restriction. And currently it looks like it's down. Yes, it looks like it's going to go down. Now, I'm looking for the market and plug power to go down. Okay. Now, check this out. There's still a chance that market can hold $14. Like, I don't want you to think that it's emphatically 100% that the market's going to break below 14. I don't want you all to think that, right? Because buyers has confirmed that they, at least as a last stronghold, came into the market around $14 to $15. I get it. That's just the chance that you see. Okay. So I wanted to show you all the hourly time frame, because a whole lot of volume came into the market in plug power, and it came in right around there on this 3-hour bar. Okay, look at all that volume. So the expectation would be for us to see market fall, because in yesterday's trading alone, the market in plug power was down almost 13%. And then look at all this volume. Look at it. We had to pay attention because something happened. Did the buyers come in again and fought against the sellers? Did they open up their wallets and began to buy all of the selling that was occurring into the market in plug power? So let's break that down smaller. Okay, let's look at this on the hourly chart, because I want to show you the hourly chart in plug power. Okay, look at this. The market fell off at the market open yesterday, right? But we can tell that market did not react. Like, the market came in and supported price. So yes, buyers came in yesterday. Even with the inundation of all the volume, there was enough interest of people that said, I need to come in and buy a plug right now. It's trading around $15. This is a buying opportunity of a lifetime. Like, so what so many of these other YouTubers be saying? The market is on discount. Come in and buy. Yeah, you could do that now. Momentarily. You might see the market in plug power in the first 2-3 days of next week's trading move up. But when you look at that from the weekly and the 2-week chart, that's where I'm reflecting that the market's going to break 14. Okay. From that time frame, weekly to 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, price in plug power is expected to be trading below 14. But in the meantime, in between time, yes, first 2-3 days of trading, the market in plug power could actually trend higher. But don't get it twisted. That doesn't mean that the market's going to continue to go up. Okay. So as a matter of fact, I am going to look for the market to go down, and let me show you where I would change from the market going down to the market going up. See this area right here, I would say around $17.25, even to 18. Okay, I'll take it to 18. If we see the market in plug power and beginning of trading next week move up, cool, I get it. But if we get rejected at 17, that still tells me that the market is weak, right? If we see the market run up to 18 and I see the market get rejected and come back down, that still tells me that we're on point to see the market in plug power go lower, to go down to at least 14 and maybe even lower than that. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Let me go ahead and clean this up. Okay, because I'm still expecting the market price in plug to dip, to go lower. Okay, because the weekly chart, the 2-weekly chart, is giving us that reflection that the market here is weak. Okay, so I want to go ahead and put this on the chart. Now, obviously, I've told you, $15 buyers came in yesterday. They came in. But my next price target, my first one's going to be around like $14.25 to like 14. So that's 8.4% that we can at least profit off of the market in plug power going that low. Okay. My second price target is still going to be right here to the low that came into the market in plug power on May the 12th, 2022. Okay. That's my second price target. That's around 18.5%. That's around what, $12.60. We can see the market in plug power run to there. Now from a 2-weekly chart, okay, let me show you. The third area would likely be down here around $11. Okay. That would be the next likely area. Okay. So if we see price break 14, I'm just here to tell you that we could be in free fall. Don't be surprised to see the market run down to around $11. I'm just saying. Okay, because when you see this on the 3 months chart in Plug Power, you guys can see that the last 3 months wasn't very positive right there. And then you can see it here on the 6 months chart too. Okay, so even from this perspective, the market in Plug Power is still exhibiting to us some weakness, even in the long term from the monthly charts. So I'm just here showing you all that the expectation is for the price in Plug Power to continue to dip. Okay. Now, it's your turn though. What do you suspect the market in Plug Power is about to do? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Where's your price targets? Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.